Chapter 4, Reproductive Health. What is the reproductive health? According to WHO, reproductive health is a physical, mental, behavioral, social well being of the person. If a person is not mentally sound, he is physically sound, there will be a problem. In social system, he will not be fit. His behavior will be odd because in the social system we help each other, we cooperate each other, then there will be a problem. So all these aspects are needed for a good health. In today's topic, reproductive health, many programs are introduced by the government, such as the family planning program, RCH program. RCH means reproductive health of the child care, रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ मदर के साथ चाइल्ड की बच्चे की केयर भी साथ में की जाती है ड्यूरिंग द टाइम राइट फ्रॉम द कंसेप्शन टू द बर्थ ऑफ द बेबी मदर इज़ केयर्ड एंड आफ्टर दैट आफ्टर द बर्थ ऑफ द चाइल्ड इज़ ऑल्सो kept in the care. And many of these programs are introduced in India. India was the first to introduce such program of the family planning program as population was going up and up very rapidly. In 1951, India was the first to introduce the family planning program. Next topic, we move on the next topic, that is the reasons of the population explosion. What is the population explosion? First, population explosion, the carrying capacity of earth above the carrying capacity of the earth when people are living on it, that is the population explosion. Per unit area, per unit area, per unit time, it is a count. Actually, it is a count of the people per unit area, per unit time. किसी भी एरिया में सपोज एन एरिया वी टेक एन एरिया ऑफ किलोमीटर पर स्क्वायर किलोमीटर, उसमें कितने लोग रहते हैं उसकी जब गणना की जाती है, we take a span of time. Suppose we take a span of time of 1 year per unit area, per unit time. How many people live there? That will be a population. Here you can see we take the 14 reasons of the population explosion. First is illiteracy. Illiteracy, people are not well educated. They don't know how to control the population. They go on giving birth to the many children. They don't use contraceptives. So they are to be made aware. They in modern times the government is carrying many programs for this purpose. And next is availability of the food. Agricultural development has brought a food for everyone, so everyone is getting food, so it is a source of living, so everybody is easily getting food, so it is also a reason to increase the population. Thirdly, we take a protection from the natural risks. Many people have shelter, so there is a natural risk of natural calamities. From the natural calamities they can easily protect themselves. Suppose there is a rain outside, a man will readily come to the home, and it will be a protected, that will be a protected area where he can protect himself or herself. uh, so easily available things, things are easily available, facilities are more and more in this time. And fourthly, we take a disease control, better public health care. There is a disease control. If someone is diseased, he is hospitalized, medicines are there, life saving medicines are there. And if there is an emergency, you can take him to the hospital very easily, and there are a lot of medical facilities. Next, we take point is better transport. So to this I will add to this better transport, ambulances, cars, personal vehicles are available for the patients uh, to be hospitalized very easily. These are all points that increase the population. So facilities are increased, population is increased. And then next is the increase of the longevity. Same here, we have a good medical facilities, good food. So there is a lesser chances of the infections. Vaccination is also there. Even at the rural level, you can see the children are vaccinated. So BCG, DPT. There is a medical facility that brings about a longevity. Life became a long. So we want to, if we want to take it very properly, if we sorry, we take it very properly in a proper means, then life becomes a long. So there is a delay of the death, so it also increases the population. Next point, we take the storage facilities. There are a lot of chemicals which are used to store the food materials. If some year their crop is not good, then there is no then there is no grains. Suppose there are no grains in a year, there is a rain or some other reason, due to that crop is not good, production is not good, then stored food is used. Today's stored food, for suppose grains, they need wheat, the people can use that type of stored food. Next, mm, adding to the population, there is a next is a low mortality rate. In low mortality rate, we can take an example of the maternal care, neonatal care. Maternal care, there are many programs of the government and that provide a maternal care, neonatal care. So there is many mothers and kids are saved, their lives are saved. So that also adds to the population. So next, we take the increasing birth rate and high neonatal care that I have covered in the previous point. If there is a care, then they are saved from the death, they recover from the diseases. Next is healthcare programs of the government. As I already have told you, the vaccination at the root level, the even to the small villages, the government is reaching for the life-saving medicines are being given. Uh, these are all. Then there are some religious myths, like some people say children are भगवान, बच्चे जो हैं भगवान का रूप है. वो सब ऐसी बातें करते हैं, दे डोंट यूज द कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्स, दे गो ऑन गिविंग बर्थ टू द चिल्ड्रन. And another is point is yeah, they are very much interested in the male child. They go on giving birth to the girls. So it also adds on to the population. And next is early marriage. Early marriage is they uh, get married before the 20 years. Up to 20 years they give birth to the children. They can delay marriage very easily. 8 to 9 years in our social system, they can uh, get married late, but nobody cares. The population is added and added. Then the last point we take is the social mobility. The people migrate from somewhere else. Immigration is there. They can that can be from for any purpose. That can be for business. That can be for studies. That can be for help of the relatives. That can be of any type. So it also adds on to the population. So today's topic has covered the 14 points. So all of you study these points and revise again and again. Thank you.